Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Semret. This is Delina and Pepper. Welcome. We're so excited to share this with you guys. Today, this baby girl turning 1. So I thought I should film it and share with you guys her special day. I can't believe it, she's 1. I cannot believe it. It's crazy. Anyways, if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and also leave us a comment and like and share. Yes. Tell them, don't forget to subscribe, William. Alright? So let's get into the program. I hope you enjoy it, guys.
Oh, Delina, is that a unicorn? Look at that. Is this okay for her to... Yeah.
Or is it a surprise?
It's a surprise. And her party started. Oh, look at that big unicorn. You can stand up just holding on to your unicorn. You want a hand?
Standing, I mean, you can almost take a step.
No, she is. She's doing it.
She takes about...
thinking about it because she's... Hey, Delina, you want to go walk over to Daddy? Huh? I'm going to crawl.
All right.
Don't want her in the cord.
Yeah, watch out for these wires.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Delina. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
All right, guys, blow out.
Gotta blow. Delina.
Blow. A little help from her friends.
Oh no, she did that.
She did that. Good job,
Oh, good job, Delina.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Good.
What?
You got it. You got it. Oh, chocolate. You got a chocolate
For the
cake.
birthday girl.
Oh, your mom will get a kick out of it.
Hey, Delina. Birthday. How was it? She's loving this.
Is that good?
Not your hair. Not your hair, baby girl. Okay.
There goes the water.
Oh. Did she feel it?
Maybe.
What do you think, Delina? Do you like it?
Oh, that's not a fiddle.
You can sit there.
What is it? What's under there? Is it?
I'll play like some soft rock one of these, okay?
Big piece too.
That's so good.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What
It's
happened?
overload.
The hair.
Uh-oh.
getting tired?
You can make her fold it. Yeah, you're just standing. That's because you're one.
She's
What a
like,
good girl.
here, open it. Yes. Come on, go. Let her do it.
She's getting tired. That's why.
She's not getting tired.
She's getting tired.
Listen, this is for you. What's in it? Look at it. Yes. Wow. Oh, that's so cute then. Oh. What happened? What happened, birthday girl? You don't cry on your birthday? Yeah. From
Where'd you get it?
Samsung? Yeah, Lena said they had a birthday, so she has a card from it. And then you got a fun car toy.
Delo.
Winter's gonna.
We got handbag
Gonna
shop.
hold her and then go. Winter's gonna cut it for her on the back.
Keep this handbag shop. Oh.
I am actually very special. I want to take a video.
Okay, so
We'll say happy birthday.
no, I'm more close.
Where
are you going? Where are you going?
Happy.
It's a birthday girl. It's a birthday girl.
Okay, back up. Be with her and her hand.
It's alright. Is it alright?
Yeah, no.
She's happy now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Delina. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Say blow it, blow it.
Good job. Alright guys, we had so much fun with Delina's birthday, and we of course can't celebrate with a lot of people, but it was really fun. Get to decorate, get to see her eat cake. Had my parents over, and my sisters came over too over the weekend, but this year has been of course different, but with it we still got a chance to celebrate her. And I hope you guys liked it, enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give thumbs up, and also come back every Tuesday. We have Tigunya Tuesday that we upload. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye guys.